Sasagis niyo po sa akin, ma'am. Punta sa akin. Yun! Isa pa po. Isa po.
Hi! Come look, I explore the first time Filipino. Discover the Philippine Bayou, Philippines' newest hideaway in the metro. Wander through stunning ecosystems and get up close with exotic animals. Tag your family and friends to experience a unique blend of entertainment, education, and conservation with your visit. Grab your tickets now. The rate is 750 pesos for walk-in and 700 pesos online for two. Less discount pa i-use ng promo code namin nila ng Pukapansya. The rate is Saturday, Sunday, and public holidays 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. See you there! Bye!
Talaga sila. Kite talaga. Picturean ko kayo, ma'am. Gusto niyo po. Sige, mapalala niyo po yung kamay niyo. Ano? American yun. Ito? American sila. Ito po, first.
Tingnan lang po kayo, ma'am. Against the light.
Hindi,
Okay,
okay lang.
Kasi, oh, di ba ganito talaga yung eyes, yung ano niya, yung mata niya?
Apo. Para pong doll.
Kaya pala.